Hey, lady bosses, welcome back to another 5-minute strategy for growing your digital business without the overwhelm. So, today's tip is one of my favorite ninja level moves that almost no one is using, but it's very powerful. So, we're going to be diving into Facebook custom friends lists, what they are, why they matter, and how to use them to build better relationships and get more visibility without spending a dime on ads. So let's hop into my screen and I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. So here we are inside of my Facebook profile. Now, this is my personal profile. This is not my Facebook business page, personal profile. So I know what all of you are thinking right now, or a lot of you are thinking. I don't want my friends and family to see what I'm doing. And I'm going to show you exactly how this works so you don't have to. So the first thing you're going to want to do is up here at the top, we're going to click on this little house. Now, again, this is from a computer. This is not from a mobile device. It does look very different on a mobile device. So I'm going to click the little house. Over here on the left-hand side, I'm going to click Friends. Now, if you look over here on the left-hand side, you'll see what's called Custom Lists. So if I click on this, it's going to show you all of my different custom lists that I have. I've got a list for all of my coaching students, my virtual assistants and social media managers, people that reach out to me. I put them on a list. In case I need them in the future, I stick them on a list. All of my coaching leads, they're not quite coaching students yet. Any solo ad vendors, I've used solo ads before. My Dream 100. Now, Dream 100 is kind of like the top 100 people that I want to be like, become. I want to emulate, I want to model after, right? Any business connections. I meet a lot of great people in this space, so I put them down as a business connection versus so I'm not trying to sell to them, if you will. I've got my army friends, I've got any restricted, I've got my acquaintances, my close friends, and then of course my family. Now, what I would have done differently if I had started from the beginning, now that I know what I know, I would put my army friends, my acquaintances, my close friends, and my family. Basically, everybody that you don't want to constantly be seeing your stuff. Put them on one list because you can exclude that list from your posts, okay? So that's how you can create a list. So I'm just going to hit create a list and I'm just going to name this Lady Warriors and I'll hit confirm. So now I've just created a list called Lady Warriors. I'm going to click add friends and I can go through my friends list and choose the ones that I want to go ahead and add as a Lady Warrior. I'm just going to pick a few and hit save. So now I've got 3 of them here on my custom list. Now, when you're posting or priming, because you should be priming before you post, you can literally, I usually right click, open link in a new tab, right click, open link in a new tab. And then that way I can go directly to their pages and give them a little bit of love on their post, right? If we want them to see our post, we've got to give them some love on their post. And that's how I do it, okay? So one of the other things I wanted to let you know is you can literally go to your friends list. So let's see, all friends, and I can see, click the 3 dots next to their name, and I can hit edit. Well, she might already be on one of my lists. So if I click on the first one, I can click the word friends over here on the right. I click friends and then click edit friends list. And she is actually a coaching student of mine. So I'll go ahead and put her in that list. And then this one here, I'm going to click friends and click edit friends list. And she is one of my Dream 100 and she is a business connection. Go to the next one here, click on the friends list, edit friends list, and she is a coaching student. So when you submit your coaching or your friend request to people and they actually respond and they approve your friend request, over here on the right where you see your notifications, that's where you typically see when they so-and-so approved your friend request. That's when you would open it and then you would edit the friends list and put them on the right list. Like there's a reason you requested to be their friend, right? And you should be requesting, at least 10 to 20 people per day as friends to grow your friends list to get the visibility up in your posts. The more people you have as friends, the more people that are actually going to see it. So that's how you actually create your friends list and how you get different friends on your friends list. All right. So you can create different lists for like people that you want to nurture, people who engage with you often, your core students or DMs like I have, your business collaborators, and then of course warm leads who ask for more info. So as you get people commenting and responding and replying and engaging in your content, you want to make sure that you're putting them on a separate list, okay? So that you can engage with them on a regular basis. Now, what I want to do is I want to show you here how this is helpful. So you see this post here that I posted it 5 hours ago. If you look, if I hover over this globe, it shows that it's public. So I basically set it out to everybody. But I can actually change that and I can say, I just want it to go to my friends, or maybe I just want it to go to my coaching students or my coaching leads. So I just want my coaching leads to see it first, and then I want all of my other connections. Then you can change it from coaching students or coaching leads to public. So that post can actually get additional reach, if you will, because it'll go to that custom list first. All right. And that's how you actually separate, and you can actually take out those people that you don't want to see your list, your audience, because it'll say friends accept or custom list, right? Specific friends or just a certain list or only me, right? But you can do include and exclude friends and lists. So if you click on that, it's going to say share with these people, but don't share it with these people, or lists. So you can actually exclude people from your post so that they can't see it. They can't see your posts. So this will help you stay connected without feeling kind of scattered, all right? And then that's exactly the easiest way for you to actually get your post out there to as many people as possible without having to worry about the people that you don't want to see it, not seeing it, okay? This is kind of one of those hidden secrets that not a lot of people actually know about. All right, there you have it. You can create engagement specific content to rewarm your leads before a launch. All right, so your Lady Boss Boost challenge for today. Create 2 to 3 Facebook friends lists right now. Implement. Add 10 to 15 people to each one based on how you know them. And then make one post this week using a custom list and track the engagement. You'll be shocked at how much more visibility and connection you get just by organizing your social circle. All right, that's your Lady Boss Boost for today. If you love this tip, give it a like, subscribe for more 5-minute strategies, and drop a fire emoji below in the comments if you want a full walkthrough on how I use social media to generate leads without paid ads. And if you haven't grabbed your lead magnet cheat sheet yet, comment magnet below and I'll send that over to you. And I also have a full tutorial on how to get unlimited traffic using Facebook. You can check that video out right here, and I will see you in the next episode.